Magnificent, magnificent, magnificent. This word means extremely beautiful, impressive, excellent. Let's use magnificent in a sentence. She has a magnificent voice. Let's have another example. Our classroom president is magnificent. Here's another example. This hotel offers magnificent services. And our last example is, I really want to go to that place. It's magnificent. Notable, notable, notable. This word means worthy of attention or notice, remarkable. Let's use notable in a sentence. That is a notable decision. Let's have another example. Getting both sides to agree was a notable achievement. Here's another example. A notable feature of the school is its unusual bell tower. And our last example is, the proposed new building is notable not only for its height, but for its shape. British English, omniscient. American English, omniscient. This word means knowing everything. Let's use omniscient in a sentence. It would be nice to be omniscient. Let's have another example. I enjoy listening to my omniscient teacher. Here is another example. The story was narrated from an omniscient point of view. And our last example is, the narrator seems an omniscient person who tells us about the characters and their relations.